Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the first question in exercise 4.4. For what value of x is the following matrix singular? A matrix will be considered singular if the determinant of that matrix value is equal to 0. So let's write the determinant for this particular matrix. So 3 minus 2x, x plus 1, 2 and 4. So if this determinant value is equal to 0, then we call this matrix as a singular matrix. So let's first evaluate. So 3 minus 2x into 4 minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. So first let's expand. 12 minus 8x minus 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. So this is 10 minus 10x is equal to 0. So this means 10x is equal to 10 or x is equal to 1. So for the value of x is equal to 1, this matrix will become singular. In the next video, we will find the solution for the second question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.